Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Jeep Renegade front grille. This process is straightforward, requiring just a few basic tools. Before we begin, make sure your vehicle is parked securely. You will need a plastic pry tool and a flathead screwdriver to carefully release the clips. Let's get started by opening the hood. First, gently pull up on the plastic trim piece located just above your grille. This will reveal several metal panel clips underneath. Carefully use your plastic pry tool to release these clips, allowing the trim to come free. With the trim removed, you will now clearly see the upper retaining clips that hold the grille in place. Now, take your plastic wedge tool and gently spread apart the black plastic clips along the top of the grille. Start with the clips on the outer edges and work your way towards the center, pulling the grille forward as each clip releases. Once the upper clips are free, the lower clips are typically easier. Simply pull the bottom of the grille gently to detach them. With all clips released, you can now carefully pull the entire grille straight out from the vehicle. Before reinstalling, take a moment to inspect all the clips on both the grille and the vehicle for any damage. To put the grille back, simply align it with the openings and firmly push it into place until all clips securely engage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.